This is David with his new dog right here. We're capturing the moment. The dog is so loud. Like ridiculous loud. We're going to post this to YouTube and send it to Ricky in Ecuador.
The bear is jealous.
Dad, just to let you know, I did not have anything to do with this. I just rode along for the ride, and now I'm driving because David wanted to pet his dog.
Let me show Bear.
Right, Valerie?
Yes.
And there's grandmother. Can you see grandmother?
Stay in a row.
It's on the road.
Say hey, grandmother, you're on video.
Say hey.
What did you say?
Hey, this is going to Mom and Dad in Ecuador. Wait.
Oh, hey.
She went.
We're coming back from Russellville, Alabama.
Oh, did they
We're on
come?
Highway 240.
He's going to send them a video.
240,
He's going to send them a video.
Oh.
243.
Are they talking to him now?
You look really vain right now. Let me take a video of myself. My favorite.
This is me.
Look at my
I'm
mustache.
driving.
They see the little dog.
Here's Valerie. We're on our way back.
Is that your mama?
Here's Bear.
Alright, well, that's our video. Peace.